Artificial intelligence. It sounds complex, like something out of a science fiction movie. But in reality, AI is already woven into the fabric of our daily lives. Take Netflix, for example. The streaming giant uses AI to recommend shows based on your viewing history. It's AI that suggests a new sci-fi series you might enjoy or a documentary about the cosmos. Then there's Google Maps, a tool many of us use daily. This app relies heavily on AI to analyze traffic patterns and provide you with the fastest route to your destination. AI algorithms work behind the scenes, crunching data on traffic volume, road closures, and even construction to ensure you arrive on time. And who can forget Siri or Alexa? These voice assistants have become commonplace in our homes. They use AI to understand our questions, set reminders, and even tell jokes. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg. As you will soon discover, AI is transforming numerous aspects of our world, from healthcare to education and beyond. The field of healthcare is undergoing a revolution, thanks to the power of AI. Doctors and researchers are harnessing AI's capabilities to diagnose diseases earlier and develop more effective treatments. Imagine a world where algorithms can analyze medical images with superhuman accuracy, detecting subtle signs of cancer that might be missed by the human eye. That's precisely what AI is making possible. Researchers have developed AI algorithms that can detect lung cancer from CT scans with remarkable accuracy, sometimes even outperforming experienced radiologists. And it's not just cancer. AI is being used to diagnose a wide range of diseases, from diabetic retinopathy, which can lead to blindness, to heart conditions that might otherwise go unnoticed. The beauty of AI in healthcare is its potential to make quality healthcare more accessible, especially in rural or under-resourced areas. Imagine a portable AI-powered device that can diagnose diseases with remarkable accuracy, even in remote villages without access to specialized doctors. This is the future that AI is helping to create. Education is another field where AI is making significant inroads. Traditional classrooms are being transformed as AI personalizes the learning experience for each student. Imagine a world where every student has access to a virtual tutor that adapts to their individual learning style and pace. This is the promise of AI in education. Platforms like Duolingo, the popular language learning app, are already using AI to create personalized lessons that adjust to the learner's strengths and weaknesses. If you're struggling with a particular grammar concept, the app will provide additional exercises and explanations. But AI's role in education extends far beyond language learning. It can help students with math, science, history, and virtually any other subject. AI tutors can provide instant feedback, identify areas where students need additional support, and even grade essays, freeing up teachers to focus on individual student needs. Entertainment is another domain being reshaped by AI. From the movies we watch to the video games we play, AI is changing how we experience entertainment. Have you ever wondered how Netflix seems to know your taste in movies so well, or how Spotify manages to create the perfect playlist for your mood? The answer, once again, is AI. Streaming services use sophisticated AI algorithms to analyze your viewing and listening habits, recommending content tailored to your preferences. But AI's influence on entertainment goes much deeper. In the world of filmmaking, AI is used to create breathtaking visual effects that would have been impossible just a few years ago. AI algorithms can analyze hours of footage to create realistic CGI characters, simulate complex physical phenomena, and even de-age actors with astonishing realism. And in the gaming industry, AI is used to create more challenging and engaging opponents, enhancing the player's experience. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept confined to science fiction. It is here, it is now, and it is transforming our world in profound ways. From the way we watch movies to the way we diagnose diseases, AI is poised to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives. So, the next time you ask Siri for the weather forecast or marvel at the realism of a CGI character in a movie, take a moment to appreciate the power of AI. It's a brave new world, and AI is leading the way. Now I'd love to know, what other use of artificial intelligence surprises you the most? Leave your comment below. I'd love to hear your opinion. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more content on artificial intelligence and technology. See you in the next video.